Hey guys, so I'm gonna be rating my fidget toys. So I forgot what this was, a dimple or something. So yeah, let's start with it. I'm gonna be rating them. And also, by the way, you go check out my ASMR video with Sarah. So yeah. And look. Dimples are supposed to be loud, so I think I give this one a 10, 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. And there's also a whole basket here. So let me show you. Right here. Yeah, I'll show you. Right here. And there's some up here. So here. So yeah. And also, you can check out the videos when we did like fidget toys, like showing. And yeah, and look what I found. This can be a fidget toy. And also I got a fidget toy bag. I don't think so you can't but I give this 1 out of 1. I mean 1 out of 10. So by the way, let's rate them. Okay, so there's also a Squid Game dimple toy. I give this one a 4 out of 10. Okay, so circle top one. So yeah, let's rate it. I give this one 100 out of 10. It's really nice. And yeah, hamburger puppet. Let's see this one. Oh, both sides. Both sides it has. So maybe I give this one 10 out of 10. And the circle yellow one, I guess I give that one a 9.10. And the hamburger, 100 out of 10. Yeah, that's really good. And I found this. Finally found it. Let's read it. I give this, I don't know, but yeah. And now we're gonna be doing like puppet ASMR, but let that noisy plane pass through. I did have a unicorn like rainbow puppet, Oh yeah, I traded that off. I think I forgot who I traded off to, so yeah. Let's start off with the unicorn. I got this unicorn puppet but at Tampines Hub. Tampines Hub? Yeah, Tampines Hub. ASMR puppet. So yeah. While doing the ASMR, I'll tell you where I got my puppets from. Okay, so this boba, I got it from trading. So yeah. And we got it from Tampines Hub too. Okay, this one I cannot pop. Now time to go for the out part. Okay. And a mini pineapple puppet right here. And let's see. Didn't work out that well. Okay, now let's start off with some up here. This is a problem. I think we should take it out when the one that I will take it out, but we have, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Hey, there's 2 pineapple puppets I have. One right here. And one mini one. Mother and daughter. Okay. I'm actually like really tall for my age. And my birthday is coming up too, March 27th. So yeah. That one I give it, I don't know why. So yeah, and my hexagon puppet. And my owl puppet. My phone case puppet, and yeah. And I found some magnet toys from Shopee. Not Shopee, but Shopee is this where this place is. Like in Singapore we use it, so yeah. And there's also one, I ordered the thing from on Amazon. I think so itchy. But let's see which one is good. Okay, hexagon. Which I'm popping right now. Okay. That one I give it a 10 out of 10 straight. Or both sides. Okay, I guess we have to put it back up like usual. Okay. Let me just put this up. And yeah. Okay, and that's all for today. Bye.